Hello everyone, welcome to Florever's kitchen. I am so happy to have you here. If you came into this channel, it means you have that love and something attracted you to it. You are in the right place. Thank you for joining, and for all my returning subscribers, I love you guys too. Thank you all for all the support and for always coming back to check which new uploads is there. I really appreciate all of that. And for the new ones, you are in the right place. In here we have easy and tasty Cameroonian recipes, African recipes, and every other recipe we will be bringing subsequently. Please do yourself a favor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you won't regret it. So for the purpose of this video, I will go straight to why I'm here. Today I will be shooting a video on how you can easily wash bitter leaf with no stress. Many people run away from washing this vegetable. It tastes so good, but it has a lot of work. They think like it has a lot of work to make it taste the way it's supposed to be, to cook that delicious Ndolé. But I tell you, if you follow this recipe, you won't regret, and you always be having washed bitter leaves at home. So please, if you want to see how to do that, then you have to stay connected right to the end of this video. Last year I made something like this already. I posted, but if you check again, you won't see that video there because I deleted it for some reasons. Yeah, and many people have been writing me in my inbox, please, what's happening? We can't find the bitter leaf. We can't find the washed bitter leaf. That video, did you delete it? Yes, I did, and I'm sorry about that. And because of that, I had to create in this new video. I had to make a new video for the benefit of those who wanted it, and also those who are still to need it. So in this video I will be showing you how you can wash your bitter leaf Cameroonian way, Cameroon bitter leaf. You know what I mean, how to wash that bitter leaf at home with no stress. That will be saving you from buying from the market, buying from those who have already washed. So please stay connected right to the end of this video, okay? And I will be also showing you two ways in which you can slice it. You can always slice it whichever way you want, it is your choice, but I have two methods which I'm going to be showing you in this video, how you can slice it and also how you can easily wash. There is a secret on how to wash that bitter leaf easily, that will retain the nutrients and that will also retain the greeny nature, so that when you prepare that Ndolé, it will still be looking so attractive. Do you want to see that? Yes. So then you have to stay through the end of this video. Without any much say or do, let's dive into it, guys. So here is a bunch of bitter leaves. I have a lot of them here, already washed, harvested from my Thai mommy's, one of my Thai woman here. She used to sell them for me. Yeah, so I bought this from her. Yeah, so I will be fixing that right now. Okay guys, to start I have some knives here, the one that works better, so I just had to put 2 or 3 of them there. And I also have my chopper. I'll start by fixing my vegetable. Okay, taking off the stems. Guys, we are done with picking the bitter leaf. I'm going to be slicing this, so I will start with the first method, and the second method is my favorite. So let me start with the first method. Before I start, I'm going to cut off the head of it, right? Then I chop them neatly. To me, this method wastes my time a lot. That's why I like the second method. So I'm done with this first one. So I'll continue the same process. African food takes a lot of time to prepare, but they're really delicious. I mean, they're really delicious. Guys, I'm doing this work outside the kitchen because I want the natural light and the fresh air That is for the chopping method. Just this first part. Okay, so guys, this is the second method, which happens to be one of my favorite. You just need your a sharper knife, and you have to be careful with this if you are not an expert. Okay, so I think this knife will disturb me, and that's why I have other options. I can use anyone which is suitable for me. Okay, I'm good to go with this. So this one is the best method for me. When I use this method, it's easier, much easier and faster for me. So I'll do that again. Carry the one your hand can carry. I'll cut off that head again and continue with the same process. Who doesn't like bitter leaf in their soup? It goes with all kinds of food, guys. When it is washed, you can put it in your turning plantains, you can put it in your turning cocoa, you can even tie eggplant with it if you have not yet washed it using the sweet leaves. Bitter leaf is so it's a very, very, very important vegetable in our country, Cameroon, and most African countries. So guys, so that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of this other vegetable. Right now, I already put my water on the fire. Sorry, I didn't show you that part. So while the water is on the fire, I'm slicing this bitter leaf. So guys, I am done with the slicing process. Let's go to the next part. Okay guys, so we are in the next part, which is the most essential part, and it is steaming the bitter leaf. So our water has been boiling. So here is a secret. If you have been missing all the other parts, please do not miss this one. This is the key part. So here we will be putting in some bicarbonate of soda. Okay, baking soda, or we call it sodium bicarbonate. You can use akanwa. Akanwa, is it limestone? No, it's not limestone, right? What is akanwa called? Please drop it in the comment section. But I prefer using bicarbonate. The day I was always using akanwa, but the day I discovered this method, man, I stick to it. It's the best because this is what makes that vegetable to retain the greeny nature and removes that bitterness quickly. So I'll be needing, it depends on the quantity of your bitter leaf. Since my vegetable is much, so I'll be needing 2 tablespoons of this. When you're putting it in the pot, be careful because it will do like that. Okay, so I'll be putting 2 of that, and do not put too much if you don't want it to be too soft. I'm going to be putting that bitter leaf in there. So this is the second batch of it. So I will let this steam for 2 to 3 minutes, and I take off the heat. I'm not going to cover this. No, if you don't want your bitter leaf to be black, don't cover. So you see how it's bringing out that bitter substance. You can add a little bit of salt at this point. It is optional. So guys, after the vegetable has steamed for 2 to 3 minutes, you turn off the heat straight away. Put in an icy water or water directly from the tap. This is to end the cooking process so that your bitter leaf will not be brown. Since we have already used bicarbonate of soda, I'm going to be washing this bitter leaf 3 times, and that's it. We are done. This is the first washing. Sometimes if you don't want the foam like we do in our country, you can put a little bit of oil in your hand inside it so that to stop the foamy nature, but I'm not going to do that. I just wash that. I'll be washing this for at least 3 minutes. That's the first time. You wash for 3 minutes and rinse, and wash again the second time for 3 minutes and rinse, the third time for 3 minutes and rinse, and that's it. Guys, I washed that already for the first time, so I'm still going to wash it again 2 times. So let me test. It's already clean. It's good to always start washing without putting water first. After washing for a minute, you can add a little bit of water. So you see what that bicarbonate of soda does. It really fastens the process of washing over and over and over and over and over. So I'll put in a little bit of water now. Can you see even the water coming out? It's clean. So guys, here is the final outcome of our bitter leaf so far. Can you see? It gave us how many bundles? So here is our bitter leaf. You see how green it looks? Yeah, that is the outcome.